What's up, YouTube? I'm here with another another video, and today I am going to show y'all all my games. Let me start with this game called Sonic and All-Star Racing Transform. It's my brother. In the back. Then with this, hold this. Hold it. This is a pre-owned game of Madden 15. The front, if y'all want to see it. See, it's a pre-owned right there. Pretty cool. I got me NBA Jam. Let me just open it. But only thing, I got me 3 tapes in this. NBA 2K13. Pretty cool. NBA 2K15. Really cool. And NBA Jam. Yeah. It's cool. And I got me Fight Night Round 4. Inside it, that's the tape and the back. The orange box. Inside. I mean, I don't play this that much, but it's cool. I tell y'all the back. MLB 10 The Show. The inside. And the back. And finally, NBA 2K11. Inside of it. And the back. Become the greatest like MJ. So, I think I didn't show you all the back of Sonic and All-Star Racing Transform. Here's the back. And open this, please. Okay. And that's the disc. So I hope y'all like all the games that I show. I hope y'all like, subscribe, comment down below of what y'all think about this game. And here they are. So yeah, there's the disc. Like, subscribe, comment on what y'all think, and peace.